You're spending $9,400 every single year just to keep your car alive. Gas at $4.50 a gallon, insurance up 29% in 2 years. That surprise $1,400 repair bill last month, you didn't budget for. And the worst part? That 2018 Accord you paid $28,000 for is now worth $14,000. Half your money is gone and the bleeding hasn't stopped. As Elon Musk said in early 2025, this isn't just a revolution in vehicle design, it's a revolution in vehicle manufacturing. And if the leaked documents are accurate, that revolution arrives with something shocking. A Tesla Model 2, rumored to start at $12,749, with early deliveries pointing to late 2026. Tesla claims this car could save you up to $30,000 over 10 years compared to a Civic or Accord. But here's the truth no one's telling you. To hit that price, Tesla made 7 major engineering compromises, and 3 of them could cost you thousands if you don't understand the trade-offs. So today on InfoByte Network, we're breaking down what you actually save, what you quietly give up, and whether this car is a retirement dream or a repair nightmare. Let's get into it. Why older buyers don't trust affordable anymore. Here's what the industry won't admit. Cheap to buy usually means expensive to own. You've lived it. Low monthly payment, then high insurance, then specialized repairs, then depreciation wipes out your savings. Americans over 55 spend an average of $9,400 per year on car ownership. That's $94,000 every decade for something that loses value. So Tesla didn't ask, how cheap can we sell this car? They asked, how do we stop this car from draining our customers dry? That's why Tesla hasn't officially announced the Model 2 yet. They're not selling hype, they're engineering long-term ownership, and it shows. Built for ownership, not showrooms. This car isn't flashy. No rotating screens, no glass roof, no performance gimmicks. Because when you're 58, you don't care about 0 to 60 times. You care about predictability. The Model 2 uses Tesla's mega casting design. Huge aluminum front and rear sections. Fewer welds, fewer failure points. Crash zones are bolt-on, designed to absorb impact and be replaced, in theory. Exterior panels use unpainted structural polymer. No rust, no paint chips, no resale loss from cosmetic damage. This car wasn't built to impress strangers, it was built to protect your wallet. Size that actually fits American life. The Model 2 is smaller, but smarter. 13.8 feet long, 5.6 feet wide, 34.2-foot turning radius. Translation: easier parking, no 3-point turns. Fits 94% of US parking spaces. Cargo matters too. 18.5 cubic feet with seats up, 41 cubic feet folded flat. Wheelchair, golf clubs, Costco run, no problem. Flat floor, no transmission tunnel, no wasted space. This is practical engineering. The battery strategy, stable, not flashy. Tesla isn't promising 400 miles. They're offering 355 to 370 real-world range using a sodium-ion battery. Why sodium-ion? No lithium, no cobalt, lower cost, better long-term stability. Most Americans over 60 drive under 35 miles a day. That means charging once a week, home outlet is enough. $8 to $11 per week in electricity. Gas, $60 to $70. That savings alone adds up fast. Reality check? Cold climates lose 25 to 30% range. If you live in harsh winters and drive long distances daily, this may not be your car. Butterfly doors, not a gimmick, a back save. This is where Tesla surprised everyone. Traditional doors force you to bend, twist, drop into the seat. For older bodies, that's pain every single day. Model 2's butterfly doors open upward. Door sill just 6.7 inches high. Reduce spine rotation by 70%. No motors like Model X, just mechanical hinges and gas struts. Cheaper, lighter, repairable. And in tight parking spots, you only need 11 inches of side clearance. This isn't luxury, it's dignity. The real cost savings. Numbers that matter. 10-year ownership comparison. Gas compact sedan. Purchase, $24,000. Fuel, $18,000. Maintenance, $4,200. Insurance, $9,800. Total, around $56,000. Tesla Model 2, purchase, $12,749. Electricity, $3,600. Maintenance, $580. Insurance, $9,500. Total, around $26,400. Savings, around $30,000. That's not hype, that's math. The 3 big risks you must understand. Now the part most YouTubers skip. Risk 1, giga casting repairs. Small crash, cheap fix. Moderate crash, $5,000 to $6,500 repair. Insurance companies know this, premiums reflected. Risk 2, structural battery pack. The battery is part of the car's structure. Severe underbody damage, $12,000 to $15,000 repair. That's more than the car's value. Risk 3, first-run production. Tesla is compressing validation timelines. Fast ramp-ups mean potential early defects, limited independent repair options. Buying early means accepting risk. Who is this car really for? This is not a car for status buyers, performance junkies, or people who trade every 3 years. This is a car for people over 55, fixed incomes, predictable expenses, long-term ownership. It's built for people who want less stress, fewer surprises, more control. Would you rather drive a car that impresses people for 6 months or saves you money for 10 years? Comment worth it if the savings justify the risks. Comment structural risk if the compromises worry you. I read the comments and bring the best ones into the next video. Like if you're over 55 and this made sense. Subscribe for the upcoming comparison, Model 2 versus gas and EV rivals. Share this with someone still driving a 2008 Camry. This is InfoByte Network. We don't sell you cars, we help you understand them. I'll see you in the next one.